Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to do exercises that improve your child's logic on the Khan Kids application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then go to your home page and select the profile that you would like to use by clicking on the profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on the relevant one that you would like to use, and then click on the library icon in the upper left corner. Now tap on the last icon, Logic Plus. So here you need to select first the level of exercises, and based on the age of your child or the grade that he or she attends. And then, as you can see, there are many exercises according to the institution that or the level or grade of your child. Here there are many exercises such as exercises for flexible thinking, improving memory, social emotional development exercises, physical development, healthy habits, and so on. There are other practice exercises as well. So if you are interested in doing any of these, click on the relevant one, and then you are going to be able to start the process of improving your child's logical thinking, and so on. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.